A loss of 2.20% in Ethereum is expected by January 26, per crypto predictions. First, let's catch up on how the price has moved today. As of this moment, Ethereum has lost 0.90% and is holding near $2,934.70. Here come the forecasts from our analysts. Cryptonization sees the price approaching $2,984.87 by tomorrow, and that implies a rise of close to 1.70%. 30 rates projects Ethereum might move toward $2,962. That's about 0.90% up. CoinCodex points out it could edge up to $2,937.55. A projected increase close to 0.10%. Another estimate by Crypto Predictions shows Ethereum might retreat to $2,870.65, a loss close to 2.20%. And finally, Traders Union suggests a drop to $2,837.34 by tomorrow, roughly 3.30% off the current value. This forecast tops all in returns. 5 forecasts covered. Let's keep moving. Let's take a closer look at what each forecast could return. Based on the collected data from each expert, the expected market range is from a drop of 3.30% to an increase of 1.70%, depending on the analyst. So it turns out Traders Union will deliver the highest return with 3.30% increase in value by January 26. This means you could collect between $1 and $33 for every $1,000 you invest. From the volatility analysis, CoinCodex's forecast comes out on top with an 85.90% chance of success. With all 5 forecasts in mind, I've assembled a consensus scenario. The consensus view points to Ethereum trading flat near $2,918.48. Okay, let's take a closer look. The consensus figure shows the price moving down 0.60% by tomorrow. With that change, your capital could likewise see an increase of 0.60%. In practice, 1,000 might correspond to roughly $6 gained. And in practical terms, this consensus forecast carries a likelihood of 82.60%. Let's highlight what analysts predict for the market in the next 3 days. An advancing course is described by Cryptonization. 30 rates highlights that Ethereum could slide lower. CoinCodex sees the price heading higher. Crypto Predictions expects Ethereum to fall. Similarly, Traders Union points to further weakness. By aligning the individual projections, the consensus signals weakness for Ethereum in the coming days. So, the balance of forecasts points to Ethereum trading on the downside. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts targeted tomorrow. That tomorrow is already gone, so let's review them. By the close, the price stood at $2,953.64. The majority of predictions turned out correct on the direction. Strongest accuracy was shown by Traders Union. Now for the details. Only one analyst's outlook aligned with the trading range. As for ROI, gains appeared in several forecasts, with the highest value being 0.60%. Here's the full table showing how every forecast performed. In comparison, CoF Capital Collector was assigned a forecast probability of 61.60%, $67.40 in accuracy, and 0.60% ROI. Look through the results and figure out who did the best job. Let's see how tomorrow's potential returns look across several different coins. Our featured asset leads the profitability ranking with 0.60%. This section compares Ethereum to 4 random cryptocurrencies. A much broader view of forecasted returns and analyst performance will be posted soon on my website and Telegram. If this kind of multiple analyst review helps you, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's update. Bye folks!